Wintergreen proudly announces the launch of Christmas light installation accessories, now made in the USA. Introducing Wintergreen Lighting All-in-One clips, All-in-One Plus clips, and Shingle Tabs, the essential tools for a professional holiday display. Without the right accessories, string lights can sag and appear unprofessional. Say goodbye to sloppy light displays. Wintergreen Lighting's versatile clips and shingle tabs are engineered for a crisp, clean installation. Our all-in-one clips easily secure C7 and C9 lights and can be used on the roof lines as well as on gutters. Our all-in-one Plus clips are versatile and can accommodate C7, C9, icicle, and mini lights. Our shingle tabs fit seamlessly under shingles without causing damage. Wintergreen Lighting's clips are manufactured in the United States under strict quality specifications. Crafted from heavy-duty polypropylene and enhanced with UV protective additives, these clips are built to withstand the harshest elements, delivering top-tier performance for roof lines, shingles, and gutters. Do you know the best part? We're reducing reliance on imports, supporting local manufacturing, and ensuring higher quality. But that's not all from Wintergreen Lighting. Meet the PathPro, our newest innovation in pathway lighting stakes, proudly manufactured in the USA. Heavy-duty and versatile, the PathPro gets the job done. It's compatible with commercial-grade SPT1 and SPT2 wire. It can be installed vertically, horizontally, or in patterns of light. Perfect for pathways, driveways, and landscapes. Installing pathway lights shouldn't be a pain, literally. Tired of sore hands from installing regular stakes? PathPro stakes are engineered for ease. Install string lights with zero hassle and no hand strain.
We're proud to bring manufacturing back to the USA. By working closely with local suppliers, we've engineered superior clips and stakes that outperform the competition at competitive prices.
Ready to elevate your holiday displays? Choose Wintergreen Lighting clips, tabs, and stakes for a flawless, professional look, made right here in the USA. Explore our products today.